Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to merge two dictionaries. I'm having dictionary number 1 and dictionary number 2. I would like to put the information of the second dictionary in the first dictionary. And we see that dictionary 1 and 2, they have one element in common, which is B. So the key B is shared between them. But in the first dictionary, it is associated with 2, and in the second dictionary, it is associated with number 3. I'm going to type down the name of my first dictionary, dot update. So I'm using the update function. And in the parentheses, I type down the name of my second dictionary. And then I'm printing out the first dictionary in the output. When I print the first dictionary in the output, I expect to see this element in the dictionary 1 and these two elements in the dictionary 1 and not this one. Why? Because B is a common element, is a common key, let's say, between these two dictionaries, and we are updating the information of the first dictionary with the information of the second dictionary. Therefore, because they have one key in common, it is going to, this part is going to be replacing this part. Okay, so I expect to see A1, B3, and C4 in the output when I'm using this line of syntax and code. So the name of the first dictionary dot update using the update function, and in the parentheses I'm typing down the name of my second dictionary. So in the output, as you see here, I'm printing the first dictionary. I see A1, B3, and C4. So we don't see B2 in the output. Why? Because the information of the first dictionary is being updated and the information of the second dictionary is being inserted in the first dictionary, and because they have one key in common, the key of the second dictionary is going to be in the place of the B key in the first dictionary. So we see this one in the first dictionary and this one in the first dictionary, and this one is going to replace this one here. And we have another method to merge two dictionaries as well. To do that, I'm having a new dictionary being declared called merged, and then I'm using braces, and in braces I'm having star star and the name of the dictionary 1, comma, star star, the name of the second dictionary. So this is going to do the same work as this line does. So it depends which one you find more convenient, and you can go ahead and choose it. So after that, I'm printing the merged dictionary, and as we see here, the output of the first method and second method, both of them are the same. The outputs are the same. So it depends on you which one that you prefer. You can go ahead with that. So this is the second method. So in this video, we learned how to merge or update dictionaries in Python. We can use this method, name of the first dictionary, then update function, and in parentheses, the name of the second dictionary, or we create a third dictionary. For example, in our case here, it is called merge. And in the braces, we type down star star the name of the first dictionary and comma and star star the name of the second dictionary. Then we are printing out this third dictionary that has been created, which is called merge in this case. And then we see the outputs are the same. Thank you for watching.